As of today, we all know that water the plants whenever we want will not give the best production of the plants. Plants, like humans, must have continuously food and water, and not just a huge amount of it occasionally. Let's see how a simple controller works. At default display, you might see the day of the week and the current time. Pressing the next option button, we might see the number of the valve we're configuring. The next option is the duration of the working process, for how long you want it to work. Next one is the days you want it to work. As you might see, valve number 2 working every day of the week, from Monday till Sunday. The next option, we can see that it's working every day of the week from 8 AM for an hour every day of the week.